So let's going to see about the client server and web enabled environment from the topic of IT infrastructure management. So let's going to see about the client server model. So what is meant by client server model? So client server model is a distributed application structure which makes the partition of task or workload between the providers and the service. That is mainly called as a server, and also which is getting the request from the clients, which is requester, that is called as a client. Server is sending and receiver is client. So this total process is known as the client server architecture. So when the client, that is computer, sends a request for data to the server through the internet. So the normally in Google we will use to search some data. It will be located from the server. So client is searching for data, and the output is received for the from the server. So this is this data packs, that is sending and receivers, will it is known as the client server architecture. So here, clients do not share any other resources except for email, www. It's worldwide. This is a normally we use this client server model. So here also what are the challenges in infrastructure? The challenges facing many infrastructure managers today is how to apply the structure of this mainframe developed process in the less structured environment of client server. So next we are going to see client server environment issues. So what are the issues behind this? So there are five key issues worth discussing in the relationship applying the system management in the client server environment. The one is vendor relationship, next one is multi-platform support, third one is performance and tuning challenges, and fourth one is disaster recover planning, and fifth one is capacity planning. So here, vendor relationship is mainly focused on a additional importance in the client server technology. This is of course due to the part of greater multiple platforms have been used as the environment. So this is a traditional frame shops which have been same limited on their platforms, and one and only two manufacturers due to the expenses and capabilities of this process. So next we are going to see about the multi-platform support. In this platform, there are the multiple platforms have been already used at the low cost and the diverse architectures, which has allowed them as a tailored and tuned specific enterprise-wide applications. So this shop typically employs the manufacturers such as Sun, HP, IBM, and Compaq. Both the hardware and software vendors also used in number of client server environment due to this variety equipments. So next we are going to see about the performance and tuning challenges. Here the first challenges arises from the large number of different operating systems, which is known as client server environment, and diverse architectures such as Linux, NT, and all the various versions of Unix. So the various performance and tuning challenges include. So these are the some of the tuning challenges, that is variations in operating system levels, impact of database structure, integrated of discuss storage arrays, that applications of system changes and complexities of network components, and differentiating types of desktop upgrades. And in this, the fourth topic of this client server is considered as the disaster recovery planning. This is a sudden occurrence, but it will give the good performance in the system management functions, and this will focuses on the greater variations, larger number of servers to consider network connectivity, which represents a more complex and need to update more frequently and need to test more frequently. So next we are going to see about web enabled environment issues. The final session which presents to be implementing system management process in a web environment, and one of the benefits of well designed system management